Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back. For today, I will be sharing with you, yes, my hair is new and it's blonde. Pero bago pala yun, thank you for tuning in again sa aking channel, and my name is PracticalAnne. If you're new, please subscribe and like this video. So, ano pinag-uusapan sa aking channel? Wala lang, mga makeup, hair, choo-choo, and everything nice under the sun. Yes, summer ngayon. So, I'll share with you how I tone this hair. Medyo matagal ako magiging blonde, guys. Pero depende pa rin yun sa mood ko. Tapos, for today, I'll try to speak in English para maintindihan din ng iba nating mga kapatid dyan. Try ko lang. Okay, let's start. So, for my roots, I bleached my hair 2 times already. And this is the result. As you can see, it's still yellow from here to here. And medyo, ay, sorry. Ang hirap ng buhay mag-English. And so for today, no, hindi, joke lang. First, what did I use to tone after I bleached my hair? I used this Wella toner. It's T11. It's my first time to use this. Before, I was using T18, T10, and T50. So, it's my first time using this. This is the lightest beige blonde. Maybe that's why it looks like this and not that ashy. Today, I will share with you guys this new product from Etude House. It's the two-tone treatment hair color. This is my first time to use this product, and I don't know if it'll work as toner too. There's number here, number 5. The reason why is that these are all in 5 shades. They have purple, baby pink, green, and then this one, spicy red, and fantasy blue. With this, to tone my hair, I will also mix conditioner, and I bought this from Hortaleza HBC. This one is new also. I don't know if it's still old, new, old product. Let's start. I usually tone my hair after bleaching, but now I want to tone it again because for me this blonde is still too yellow even after toning it with this. Let's begin. I'll share with you how this will look like after mixing it with conditioner and before I apply it on my hair. So this is how the blue hair dye looks like. I already added conditioner here, and now I will mix the red one and make it purple. Why am I making this mixture purple? Because purple tone cancels out yellow tones. That makes sense. And if you still have orange tones in your hair, you must use a toner which has a stronger blue tone. If your hair is still on the level 6 or 7, I think you should still be using the blue toner. And if your hair is already this light, you can use, because it's now on the yellow side, you must use a purple toner. I don't have purple toner anymore. That's why I will be doing this. I will mix this blue one with this red dye. So for my first mixture, it will look like this. Yarn. So I added more blue hair dye than this, and your mixture should look like this. Let's begin. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope not to turn my hair purple. Let's do this. I will do this process for the rest of my roots. Hi, I'm back. So, this is how my hair looks like right now. Medyo, kung nakikita nyo, para siya nag-lavender dito sa taas. Kasi, mas maraming reds yata akong nalagay. Mas maraming red dye akong nalagay. And then here, from here to here, dinamihan ko naman this time yung blue. So, tsaka binasa ko na yung hair ko kasi masayang sa product. Nagtitipid ako. At mahal to. Ayan, nag-English pala. Let's see. I just hope it'll not make my hair purple. Leave this on for 10 to 30 minutes. Siyaw. Hi! So, this is how my hair looks like right now after toning. So, I'll dry this one first and then I'll get back. I'm back. So, here's the end result. To recap, I used this two from Etude House and diluted it with the use of this sulfate-free conditioner. So, what can you say, guys? Achieve. Achieve. It really depends on how white your hair is. Yun yung magiging result talaga ng pagtotone ng hair mo. So, kung mas yellow pa yan, hindi talaga siya mag-e-effect, guys. Sorry. Baka mga magba-brown lang siya or beige blonde. Hindi even yung pagkaka-blonde ko, kaya may mga nakikita pa kayong dark or yellowish or mga patay na yellow dahil nga nag-tone ako. Pero, yeah, that's it. So, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching my mini tutorial about toning my hair using the Etude House two-tone treatment hair color. And by the way, my hair is so soft right now, maybe because of this and the sulfate-free conditioner. And yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. My name is PracticalAnne. See you guys next time. Bye!